Hello everyone, how are you? I am well too. Today I will discuss some rules and creative question of set and function. Look at the board. Some rules of set and function. Rules: if f of a root a, then the function f of a will be defined if and only if a is greater than equal 0. Number 2 rules: if f of a 1 divided root a, then the function f of a will be defined if and only if a is greater than equal 0. If f of a 1 divided a, the function f of a will be defined if and only if denominator a not equals to 0. Rules 4. If f of a 1 divided root a, the function will be 1 1 if and only if f of a equals to f of b. F of a equals to f of b for a equals to b. This is 1 1 function. These rules support to 1 1 function. Okay, write down very good, quick. Next, I will solve a creative question. Creative question. F of x root over 2x minus 3 is a function. Number A, if f of x 1 then determine the value of x. Number B, find domain of f of x and show that the function is 1 1. C, determine the range of f inverse x. Now I will solve the creative question. F of x root over 2x minus 3 is a function. If f of x 1, then determine the value of x. Number B, find the domain of f of x and show that the function is 1 1. Number C, determine the range of the of f inverse x. First, solution A. This is the solution A. Given that f of x equals to 1, now from a stem f of x root over 2x minus 3, we put the value of x equals to 1, 2x minus 3 root over, squaring both sides 1, 2x minus 3, or 2x minus 3 equals to 1, or 2x 1 plus 3, or x 2x 4, therefore x equals to 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. This is the required result. Given f of x1 from extend f of x to x minus 3, so we put the value of f of x1, squaring both sides, side change 2x 1 plus 3, 4, x equal to 4 by 2 equals to 2. These are required result. Number B, find domain of f of x and show that the function is 1, 1. B, solution from a stem f of x 1, f of x 2x minus 3, here of f x 2x minus 3, we have to find out domain of this function. Do you know what is the rules of domain? Square root of any number, the function f of x will be defined if and only if f of x1 equal f of x2, for which x1 equal x2. Sorry, this is we have to find a domain. Define if and only if and only if 2x minus 3 is greater than equal 0. Now 2x minus 3 is greater than equal 0, or 2x minus 3 plus 3 is greater than equal 0 plus 3, or 2x is greater than equal 3. So x is greater than equal 3 divided by 2. Therefore domain x belongs to R such that x is greater than equal 3 by 2. This is the domain. Then show that the function is 1, 1. Second part, Second part, we have to prove that the function is 1, 1. The function f of x will be 1, 1 if and only if f of x1 equal f of x2, or x1 equals to x2. This is rules of 1, 1. Now, f of x 1 equal f of x2. The function f of x root over 2x minus 3, we can write root over 2x1 minus 3 equal root over 2x2 minus 3 from rules of 1, 1. Squaring both sides, 2x1 minus 3, 2x2 minus 3. Calculate. Both sides deduct minus 3, deduct both sides. So we can write 2x1 equals to 2x2. Therefore, x1 equals to x2. As the function is x1, x2, so f of x is 1, 1. Short. Next question, C. Find the domain of f of x and show that the function is 1, 1. Firstly, we have to find out domain of f of x. Already we have found from 1. Already we solved from 1 domain of the function. C. Find the domain of f of x. F of x is defined if and only if 2x minus 3 is greater than equal 0. Now 2x minus 3 is greater than 0 or 2x is greater than equal 3. So a is greater than equal 3 divided by 2. Therefore, domain x belongs to R such that x is greater than equal 3 by 2. This is a domain. So that the function f inverse x, or find the range of f inverse x. Let find f inverse x. Find range. Find range. Range of f inverse x. Let y equals to f of x root over 2x minus 3. Therefore, x equals to f inverse y. This is equation 1. Now, y equals to root over 2x minus 3, squaring both sides, y square 2x minus 3. Write down very quick. Two x equals to y square plus 3 or x equals to y square plus 3 divided by 2. From 1, x equals to f inverse y. We put the value of x, f inverse y, y square plus 3 divided by 2. So f inverse x, x square plus 3 divided by 2. We have to find out the range of f inverse x. Again let y equals to x square 3 divided by 2 or x square plus 3 2y or x square 2y minus 3 or x equals to 2y minus 3 root over root function. We have to find out range of root over 2y minus 3. Again, the rules. Write down very quick. Now, x will be defined if and only if 2y minus 3 is greater than equal 0. Now, 2y minus 3 is greater than equal 0. 2y is greater than equal 3. Y is greater than equal 3 by 2. Here y equal range of y. So therefore range of f inverse x is y belongs to R such that y is greater than equal 3 by 2. This is a range of f inverse x. Do you understand? We have to know the all rules of set and function. If you follow the rules and regulation of set and function, you will solve any math of the chapter. Okay? Write down very quick. Okay, no more today. Allah Hafiz. Bye.